Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be changing the old radio and putting a new one in which has got Apple CarPlay and all the gadgets on it. I'll show you the old one, then I'll show you the new one now. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to give it a like and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Enjoy. So this is the current radio that I have in. I'm going to be changing it for this one, which is a 7-inch touchscreen on it. So let's get beginning taking the old one out and putting the new one in. So first you want to get your little plastic thing. And clipping it. There is clips all the way around. So just getting it in. It's quite hard to do this with just one hand while I'm holding the camera, so I'll quickly take that off. And you want to get a T20 Torx screw to take out 4 of the screws there, 2 on that side, 2 on that side. So now all 4 of them are out. Should be able to just pull it out, which is easy enough. And what you want to do then is unconnect all the cables, which I'll do that now. When taking this one out, you pull that thing up and then it just comes straight off. And when you're disconnecting this, you pull that up and just pull it out. So I've got it connected in now. My phone's connected to it, so I've got Google Maps on there, everything on there, your messages, Spotify, so that's all good. The only trouble is I couldn't see a connector for the aerial, so I've got no radio at the minute. So I didn't show you the connector at the back of the new radio. So just to let you know that this goes into the back of the wiring that's in the car. Then you just plug that straight into the back of the radio and then just plug it straight in. It also came with a camera for the rear, but I'm already in a Polo, so I won't be using that. And I've still got all these cables left over, which I don't know what they're for, and I can't see an aerial adapter anywhere that fits into that, so just have to wait and see. Only thing is, I don't know how to turn it off. Ah, there we go. So you have to hold down that for it to turn off. Just press it once and it mutes it. So there we go, easy. So that's the home screen. If you have an iPhone, you just click on the apps down there. Then slide across. And you want that Z link. Which that'll load up. And then just connect straight to your phone. Now you've got your phone on the screen. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like and a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Just put it all back together, and yes, I found this underneath the seat. So I'm gonna have to take it all apart again just to put the aerial back in. Yes, so the radio now works. Can't believe that. It's right under the chair. But hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Give it a share, tell everyone about it. We're only going to get bigger and going to be doing more things. So yeah, thanks a lot.